All right. Well, we'll give it that 50-50. All right. It's gonna go! No muffler. What?
Try to make it run enough to...
Okay. Oh no! Go get your drill.
Break that boat off.
That's not good.
That's how I will if I keep going.
Well, as you can see, the pull cord exploded in his hand, and he'll be fixing that momentarily with, I don't know, a shoestring or something stupid. And then we're checking on the carburetor, because right now we're not putting gas in that old ass tank. He's just running it off the carburetor he splashes fuel into. That seems to be working. Milk it. Milk it like it's Friday night and nobody's home at your house. No kids, no wife.
Fucking internet.
Just you and a copy of Ooh La La magazine. I might have one of those at my house.
What?
Aftermarket carburetor with a little air filter and all kinds of stuff. He's ripping now. No, he's not hanging off the side. Yes, he is. Oh, oh! Saved it. No. Come on, little go-kart. Come on, little go-kart. Well, I wouldn't say he's tearing ass, but it's working. Also, I'm getting a free stunt show, so. Uh-oh. Well, he's ripping it now. Oh, yeah. She's running good. He's feeling brave. Oh, he is scooting.
Yeah, okay, was broke. That's okay. I was surprised. It's got 316 hours on it.
Okay. Well, it's making sounds. That's good. Oh, there's your spider. Yo. Black with a big old white hoot. Yo, he's looking for you. He's got beef. It works.